all about the life cycle of your water, Texas. Chances are you live in a home or apartment that has fresh drinking water supplied to it. But where does it come from? Where does it go? Most of our water originates from either an aquifer, which is pumped out of the ground, called groundwater, or from surface water, which comes from a body of water or lake. But before the water is potable, it must first be treated at a water treatment plant. While groundwater is generally pumped directly into a water treatment plant owned by your local water district or city, surface water is generally supplied from a body of water or lake through a regional pumping system managed by a separate regional water authority, RWA, and ultimately to the water treatment plant. Once the groundwater or surface water arrives at a water treatment plant, it is treated and stored in a pressurized water system. This water system is connected through a community and extends to each individual home and other properties. Once the water arrives at a home or business, it passes through a water meter where each property's usage is measured. The water is then available for each property to use as needed. Once water is used, it becomes known as sanitary sewage and runs down the drains and into the sanitary sewage system. The sewage then feeds into a sewage pipe and generally flows to what is known as a lift station. These lift stations pump the sewage up or lifts it to the next sewer pipe or ultimately to a sewage treatment plant, STP. These plants are designed to take the sanitary sewage, separate the solids, and then clean and treat the liquids to ensure they are free of environmental contaminants. They are not, however, designed to handle non-biodegradable items such as wet wipes or feminine hygiene products, etc. Buildup of these items causes damage and extra maintenance. As these facilities are funded by tax dollars, added expenses are ultimately incurred by the public. Once the sewage liquids are treated, it is referred to as effluent. This treated effluent is then released into drainage channels or bayous, which will usually feed into a main body of water, lake, or ocean. In some cases, the effluent may also supply a reclaimed water system. While reclaimed water is not rated for drinking, it is safe and useful for irrigation, etc. You may recognize the pipes that supply reclaimed water as they are generally colored purple to indicate their water type. But what about the water used outside the home? The water used outside the home, such as from your hose or irrigation system, as well as rainwater, drains into a separate stormwater system, not the sanitary sewage system. The stormwater system is generally fed by storm sewer drains or inlets like these. These stormwater systems feed directly into the drainage channels and are not treated by any facility. Storm inlets and the stormwater system are designed to transport water, but are not designed to collect debris, such as plants, lawn clippings, trash, etc. Additionally, if any contaminants are dumped into the storm system, they flow directly into the drainage channels and downstream into the same bodies of water, ultimately polluting our environment. With your help and greater awareness of our essential water systems, we can all maintain and protect the integrity of our water and sewer systems, as well as our environment. To find out more and for other public awareness videos, visit us at TritonCG.com.